Hello everybody, welcome to another uh, editing tutorial. Today I'll be retouching an image by James Weiner. He's a Nigerian photographer. He put up a challenge 5 weeks ago. Unfortunately I only saw it now. Okay, in his challenge he challenges anyone to retouch his images. He put out a link to the images, so I managed to get myself a couple. So this is the first image I'm going to be retouching. I'm going to be very fast on this one, so this is probably going to be less than the usual, which is I think hopefully 15 minutes. So okay, I'm going to duplicate the layer as always. Go to my frequency layer. I'll choose a radius of let me see now, 10.5. Boom. Okay, on my low layer, quickly going to zoom in. I'll pick the clamps. Sorry, no, I'm looking for which tool to use. Okay, the spot healing brush. I think it will work nicely here. And I'm going to quickly remove all the blemishes, all the spots. Okay, let's see, something is not happening. Point of correction. Double click back. I'm supposed to be on the high layer. Sorry. Okay, there we go. There you go. Sorry, just that one mistake, and you can already see that I couldn't continue with that. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm just going to pick spot heal all these little pimples using the bracket key to readjust the brush. I was supposed to put a timer for myself and see if I'll be able to retouch this image in less than 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. You probably noticed in my tutorials I always remove these lines here. Some photographers or some retouchers prefer leaving them there, but I prefer removing them. Okay, little pimples here. My phone just died on me, sorry. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's see. Let's quickly see. Before, after. Okay. Always try to zoom in. As you can see, this is a very high quality image right here. The makeup artist, as always, makeup artists are the best. Without them we can do nothing. They do all the magic, and all we do is perfect what they've already done. I sometimes wish I knew how to do makeup. I think that would go a long way in my photography career, but yeah, who knows, there's still time. Okay, so let's quickly, okay, there's little there's these loose hair here. I won't say hairs because that's not the word. I'll just quickly remove those. Okay, let me see. I think that's a small scar, but okay. I think I'm done. Zoom out. Okay, I hope I'm still within the time limits. Okay, so back on my low layer where I'm supposed to be for that part. Okay, let's just quickly, that's before, that's the after, before, after. So on the low layer, I'm going to pick up the lasso tool. You can press L, zoom in a little bit, select a portion that you want to retouch. I'll take this chunk with the forehead right here. Okay, filter, Gaussian blur. Since I was at 10.5 and multiplied that by 3, it's going to give you 31.5. So that's my radius right there. I'm going to use that as my high frequency radius, 31.5. Okay, so just select another area. I'm trying to keep this within 10 minutes, hopefully. Filter, the Gaussian blur. Pick up the other area there. Sorry, it's tricky using the mouse. Okay, I think I will make time. Filter, Gaussian blur, and then this area right here. Filter, blur out. Let's quickly see. That's the before, that's the after. Perfect. Okay. Let me not forget the nose area. I sometimes tend to forget that area there. And just like that, we are almost done. This is a fast edit right here. So just imagine if you had 40 shots to retouch. This would be the best way to do it. Because using the dodge and burn method takes quite a long time. Just selecting portions of the skin. Oh, was my light off? I did not notice when my light was off. Oh, I think the bulb. Okay. We are almost there. I think my time is almost up, but I think I've managed to edit this or retouch this image in the time in a timely fashion. Okay, zoom out. Did I do too much? Probably. Okay, that's the before and that's the after. So thank you very much for watching. In the next video I'll try to use dodge and burn. Hopefully I can make this image stand out some more. But yeah, that's my retouching. That's my part of the retouching challenge. Thank you very much.